how to use Best Buy Totaltech membership. Now, Best Buy Total, formerly a Totaltech, is of $179 your membership, providing 24/7 Geek Squad support, up to 24 months of product protections. So basically, what you want to do is open the Best Buy app. Now, the product protections or eligible product automatically receive protection plan, Best Buy protections or Apple Care Plus. While the membership is active, this covers up to 24 months for many new items as well. And you could also access 24/7 tech support, including a free in-store and remote or in-home computers and tablet service as well. You could also look for total member pricing on thousands of items, which applies automatically when logged into and account during a checkout as well. And it receives a free 2 days shipping on most items and extended 60-day return exchange window as well. If you want to activate this, you just want to sign into your Best Buy account before shopping. Provide your phone number or membership ID to add the registry, and you can then use a Best Buy Totaltech membership. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.